Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Adam Lacerna on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, please do so also. And ring the bell if you'd like to receive more food tips, cooking tips, fine cuisine, whatever we're cooking on YouTube. Enjoy it with us. We have over 100. I lost count at 100, so maybe it might even be 200 by now. Anyway, we have over 100 videos on cooking. Delicious meals, snacks. This is a grilled Swiss cheese on tuna. And the tuna mix consisted of course, canned tuna, spicy brown mustard, olive oil mayo, and Heinz sweet relish. Delicious mix. It's an old recipe. Your mother, your grandmother may have used that mix before on their tuna sandwiches, your tuna sandwiches. Try it on Swiss, melted Swiss, of course, on your George Foreman grill. Take care. God bless. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Thank you.